Fast internet connection is important in our everyday life. To get all your gadgets connected to the internet, you need either a MiFi or router that contains sufficient data. And in today's video, I'll be giving a full review of the MTN 4G router. Based on popular demand on my short video about how to install the MTN 4G router, I'll be providing replies to the questions asked on that video. And there's a bonus tip at the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech tips and support my content. Let's go. Overview of the 4G router. The router has certain parts which include the stand which are attached to it, antennas that you can easily control and rotate in order to ensure the network that's provided are quite clear. And these three important parts. The first one is for the power, and when the light is blue, it shows that power is strong and is working effectively. For the Wi-Fi, show that yes, can easily connect to other devices, and this is to show that okay, the SIM inside is active. Once these three lights show blue, everything is fine. And for this part, this is really important. This is for the connection. This part. So if it is red, that means you have bad internet connection and data in the Wi-Fi won't really move and perform effectively. Then if it's green, that means average. You can't really do a lot of things at a fast speed that way. But if it is blue and the connection is quite solid and very good, you can run large apps, download large apps at a very fast speed and thereby save time. So at this back part, you also have where you can connect to your television through the cord. This is the place for charging the device, and this is the WAN or LAN cable, which also comes with the MTN router. And here is where the SIM is placed. This is where the SIM is placed. So you can remove the SIM, you can place it back, and that's pretty much the important part of the Wi-Fi. And this under part I want to show contains the password and other details concerning this specific MTN router. Other important parts of the MTN router include the charger. This is really important because the MTN router does not have a battery with it, so it only functions when there is light, or in case you can use a power bank to power it, and it uses a Type-C cable. Type-C, this is it, Type-C cord. And this charger quite works nicely with it. This is one that comes with it, and this is the power bank. And some people do experience issue when it comes to this power bank. Like when you want to charge it, it's clearly stated in the manual that you have to on it. Then these two lights, this one should be red, showing that low battery. Then this, once the red light is blinking, show that it's charging. But at this spot that is blue, shows that it is fully charged. It's fully charged, and this power bank is just 4500 mAh. So the max you can do is just 2 hours when you connect it to the MTN router. So, and another way you can improvise is to get an actual Type-C cord that can work with your power bank, then use it to power the MTN router that will last for more than 2 hours. In this case, you can get a 27,000 mAh power bank just like this to also perform the task. So let's try using the power bank to power on the MTN 4G router. It has been connected. I see blue light has appeared. Blue light has appeared. It's connecting. These are the lights I told you about. As you can see, it's power bank I'm using to power it. So you can easily place power bank even on the stand, make it suitable. And this green shows that okay, the data connection is average. It's not super fast, but it also still works. And this blue light shows that the rest are working effectively. The charger is well connected, the Wi-Fi is good, unable to connect to other devices, and the data is also functioning. To reply the question that was asked about how I claim the 50GB welcome data bonus, it's quite easy. But first, it's important to have registered the MTN SIM, and in this case, the SIM is already inside the router that came with it. At a licensed MTN store around you, you can easily get that by searching on Google, or you can just find where SIM registration is being done by MTN personnel around you. Then once they register it, it's important for you to take your NIN along with you because that's means of identification. So once it's registered, sometimes it might be a network issue. It might take longer to process to get registration fully done. So you need to send this 4GCPE all in capital letter 2312 on that sim. I'm sure you have already bought at least 100 naira recharge card, so the SMS can go. Then you reply with one, which is home. And when you have done that, it will take few seconds. Then they will send you a confirmation message to check whether you are eligible for the welcome data bonus or not. And if you are eligible, the bonus will be given. That's 50 gig in this case, as I was given, but it might have been reduced. The amount have been reduced, but you still be given data. But for the 5G router, is 100 gigabyte data. So that is how that works. So it's important to register the MTN SIM, then you activate it by dialing this code. And to check your data balance, you dial *323#. Then click on 4 to check your data balance. Then the 50 gigabyte data should be there. Experiencing slow network on the 4G MTN router. To make data fast, you need to position the antenna properly till the network part shows blue, which signifies fast internet connection. If the green or red part still shows at the connection part, you will need to change the location of the router or reboot it. First step, did you know you can monitor the data balance of the 4G router on your phone through the MTN app? Let me show you how to get that done. Open the my MTN app. This is the connected one. Then you want to add an extra one, just click on add number. You input the phone number and the name. Then start easy and ensure the SIM you are connecting to, because they will send verification code, is already on the phone that they can easily access. So that is it. And from there, you can manage the data just like I'm doing with this, and you can easily also recharge on the MTN app, which is quite easy. Comment if you want me to compare the MTN 4G router speed with the 5G router, or if you want me to do a review of the MTN 5G router versus the Airtel 5G router. For more tech tips, kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bless up.